management, mastering your minutes. Do you ever find yourself staring at a massive pile of tasks and feeling a little overwhelmed? You are not alone. Every student at some point faces this challenge. The secret to overcoming this daunting feeling is mastering the art of time management. Learning how to manage your time properly can make your academic life less stressful and more enjoyable. Time management is the ability to use your time effectively or productively, especially at work or school. It involves planning and exercising control over the amount of time spent on activities. It's about making the most out of your time to accomplish tasks, goals, and projects. Why is time management important? Firstly, it helps improve your productivity and efficiency, leading to high-performance results. Secondly, it can reduce stress caused by last-minute rushes to meet deadlines. Finally, effective time management can lead to better decision-making, as you will have more time to consider all your options. So, how can you improve your time management skills? Here are some strategies. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. What do you want to achieve at the end of a day, a week, or a semester? Having clear goals can guide you in deciding how to use your time. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are equally important. Some tasks need to be done immediately, others can wait. Prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. Create a schedule. A visual plan can help you see how your tasks fit into your available time. You can use a diary, planner, or digital tool to schedule your tasks. Stick to your plan, but remember it's okay to make changes when necessary. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination is a major barrier to effective time management. It involves delaying tasks that you should be focusing on right now. One way to beat procrastination is by breaking larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Take breaks. Continuous work can be counterproductive. Taking regular breaks can help keep your mind fresh and your concentration levels high. This is a principle known as the Pomodoro technique, which suggests taking a 5-minute break every 25 minutes of work. Remember, time management is not about cramming as many tasks into your daily routine as possible. It's about simplifying how you work, reducing stress levels, and increasing productivity. It's also about creating more time to enjoy life outside of work or study. Mastering time management can take practice, but once you get into the habit, you will start to see its benefits. You will be able to accomplish more with less effort, and you'll find your academic life becoming more manageable and enjoyable. Start with the strategies outlined in this video, and over time, you'll develop your own methods that work best for you. Time is a precious resource that we cannot buy or regain. Therefore, managing it wisely is essential for a successful and balanced life. Remember the old saying, time is what we want most, but what we use worst. Let's change that by honing our time management skills. Don't let time control you. Instead, take control of your time. Happy planning!